And one of my posts had over 100,000 views on it, which I was pretty pleased with. There's a lot of people out there that are curious of the technology. They're just curious about solar in general and stuff like that. So I try to help them evaluate where I came from and what I learned. My name is Greg Fortin. Live down here in Bedford, Virginia. And coming upon retirement here, I was looking to put on a metal roof because that once we decided this was going to be our forever home, I said, well, I want to get a metal roof on this thing. And I was just sitting here thinking, I thought, I wonder if anybody's making a metal roof with integrated solar. I did a search and I just said, is anybody making a metal roof with integrated panels? And up came Tesla Solar. And I looked at the roof online and I said, that's it. That's what I can't believe I tripped upon this. So from there, once I identified the roof, the process was relatively easy. I just requested a quote, and that quote was sent to American Home Contractors in my area, who got back in touch with me and started the whole process. So that process with American Home Contractors was relatively easy. I was surprised. I mean, within a short period of time, I had a quote. I had a picture of my house and my roof. I had a good basic idea of how much that roof would cost me. You couldn't ask for a simpler process. It was all done online, periodic phone calls. One crew came on for 30 minutes to see what the electrical runs were in the attic, and it was, all of a sudden it was install day and trucks and delivery crew were out front. So it was pretty easy. The crew was great. I mean, they arrived on time. They were here early in the morning till late at night, and were really efficient. And when you go to a house and you go by a house and they got panels, people invariably say, "Oh, look, they got panels," right? When they come by my house, they go, "Is that a Tesla solar roof? How cool. I can't believe that's solar. I want one." And invariably they get into how much it costs, how do you cost justify that, and all that kind of good stuff.
Greg, being such a good client of ours, we'd like to give you this.
Oh.
This will probably go well with your full bar that you guys are building.
Oh, cool.
That is the Tesla Mezcal.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll be good with the pool bar outside.
Yep.
So, that's awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Yeah. Well, it's truly been a great experience. And, I learned a lot about solar watching a lot of your podcasts.
Cool.
And so, there's a ton of information out there on, the benefits of solar, and, just appreciate it. So
cool.